Welcome to Display Museum. I am Dr. Pan, the curator of museum.
Hello Dr. Pan, I'm Gray. There are so many structures for projected capacitive touch screen. May I ask what OGS structure is?
Hello, Greg. OGS means one glass solution. It is going to need one glass to achieve the touch function. Let us look at the structure 1 sheet 2 ITO laminated structure. From top to bottom, cover glass ITO1 and ITO2. Advantage: thinnest, high transmittance, multi-touch, good at handwriting. Disadvantage: low reliability, low strength, low anti-ESD, high cost, only suitable for the sizes less than 15 inch.
Dr. Pan, after learning so many structural capacitive touch screen, do you think OGS is the future?
Maybe. It is very thin, light, and high light transmittance because it only has one glass. But it has been so many years since OGS technology has been invented. We are still unable to solve the problems of low strength and low anti-interference. There is no evidence that the problems can be solved anytime soon unless there are major innovations in the glass industry.
Thank you Dr. Pan, now I got it.
Welcome to contact us if you have any question.